Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Rocket League opening and closing basically glitch or error. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to locate Epic Games Launcher on your desktop shortcut, or here on search, just write Epic Games Launcher, and then you need to right click on it, go to open file location, and then right click on it again, go to properties, compatibility. Make sure you select run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, and also make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Alright, and after you do that, then apply the changes and press OK, and then open up your Epic Games Launcher, go to library, and then right click on Rocket League, and then go to manage and verify integrity of the game files. So if you have some corrupted files, it will fix this glitch. And if the problem persists, what I highly advise you to do is to update your operating system. So check for updates, and then here what you need to do here is to download and install the latest version of your operating system drivers, if there is an option for you, and then restart computer. And also you need to update your GPU drivers. So if you're using GeForce NVIDIA GPU, just go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update, please download it and update it. Same thing if you're using AMD, just download AMD Radeon and check for updates as well, and then restart computer and try your game, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.